This 22-inch telescoping magnetic pickup tool arrived earlier today, and we're going to open this up and we're going to have a good look at it. This one is an all black color with a clip on the top. It has a nice fill on the handle, has some little grooves, comes with batteries, and also contains extra batteries in the box. It has a flex neck that you can move in any direction, and it telescopes out to about 22 inches. This one is a 3 bulb, and it is magnetic on both ends, and that top end is pretty strong as far as the magnet goes for being just a small ring. It can hold some decent weight up by the light. I like it. I hope you do too, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.